Are you an investor looking to protect your investments? Then you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll uncover the fatal trading errors that you must avoid at all costs. So, let's dive right in. Mistake number 1, emotional trading. When emotions take control, logic goes out the window. Making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed can lead to disastrous outcomes. Take a step back, do your research, and stick to your plan. Mistake number 2, ignoring diversification. Putting all your eggs in one basket is a recipe for disaster. Diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes and sectors can mitigate risk and protect your investments during market volatility. Mistake number 3, chasing the herd. Just because everyone else is investing in a particular stock or asset doesn't mean it's the right choice for you. Avoid the herd mentality and make informed decisions based on your own research and goals. Mistake number 4, trading without a plan. Going into the market blindly is like sailing without a destination. Create a solid trading plan that includes entry and exit points, risk management strategies, and clear goals. Stick to your plan, and you'll be on the path to success. Closing shot, an animated graphic displaying the title Fatal Trading Errors You Must Avoid to Protect Your Investments with a call to action to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching our video. We hope these insights will help you protect your investments. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.